Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use flower ribbon. First, let's gather our essential materials. You'll need your favorite ribbon, a good pair of sharp scissors, and some floral wire. Choosing the right ribbon is key. Consider its color and texture to complement your flowers perfectly. Also, make sure your workspace is clean and organized. This helps keep everything tidy and makes the creative process much more enjoyable and efficient. Now, let's craft a beautiful, classic ribbon bow. For a medium-sized bow, measure about 24 inches of ribbon. Take your ribbon and form 2 equal loops, then cross one loop over the other, just like tying your shoelaces. Pinch the center firmly. Next, take a small piece of floral wire and wrap it tightly around the pinched center. Twist the wire ends together at the back to secure your bow perfectly. Once your bow is ready, it's time to attach it to your floral arrangement. Gently gather your flower stems together. Take your ribbon or bow and carefully wrap it around the gathered stems. You can use a bit of floral tape or a small piece of floral wire to secure the ribbon in place. Make sure it's snug enough to stay put, but not so tight that it damages the delicate flower stems. This adds a lovely finishing touch. Finally, let's explore some creative ways to use flower ribbon. Don't be afraid to experiment with different colors and textures to add depth and interest to your arrangements. You can create beautiful cascading effects by letting longer ribbon pieces flow down from your bouquet. For an extra special touch, consider adding small embellishments like tiny beads or charms to your ribbon. These little details can truly elevate your floral designs and make them uniquely yours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.